Egg recipe boiled. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Jammy eggs and Feta flatbreads with herbs. Ingredients: 4 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of Feta, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, kosher salt, freshly ground pepper, palmful of chopped tender herbs such as tarragon and/or chives, 2 warm flatbreads or slices of toast. Directions: carefully lower eggs into a small saucepan of gently boiling water. Cook for 7 minutes. Transfer to a bowl of ice water and let it sit until cool enough to handle. Drain. Peel eggs. Tear into large pieces. Coarsely mash the feta into a small bowl with lemon juice and oil. Season with salt and pepper. Gently fold in eggs. Spoon the egg mixture over flatbreads and top with herbs. Number 2. Soy-Marinated Eggs. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, 5 garlic cloves peeled, 3 dried chiles de árbol or 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 3/4 a cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mirin, sweet Japanese rice wine, 2 tablespoons of unseasoned rice vinegar, toasted sesame seeds, for serving, optional. Directions: gently lower eggs into a large saucepan of boiling water. When the water returns to a gentle boil, cook 7 minutes. Using a slotted spoon, transfer to a bowl of ice water and let cool for 2 minutes. Eggs may still be a little warm. Remove eggs from ice water and peel. Meanwhile, bring garlic, chiles, soy sauce, mirin, vinegar, and 2 cups of water to a boil in a medium saucepan. Reduce heat. Simmer 5 minutes. Remove from heat and add eggs. Let sit at least 1 hour. To serve, drain eggs, quarter, and sprinkle with sesame seeds if desired. Number 3. Deviled eggs with crispy shallot gremolata. Ingredients: 12 large eggs, 3/4 a cup of vegetable oil, 1 large shallot, thinly sliced into rings, kosher salt, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice plus more, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh chives, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of finely grated lemon zest. Special equipment: a large star tip and a pastry bag. Directions: place eggs into a medium pot and cover with water. Bring to a boil, remove from heat, and cover. Let sit for 9 minutes. Remove eggs with a slotted spoon and transfer to an ice bath. Meanwhile, heat oil into a small saucepan over medium-high. Add shallots and cook, stirring occasionally until golden brown and crisp, about 5 minutes. Remove with a slotted spoon and transfer to a paper towel. Season with salt and let cool. Peel the eggs in half lengthwise. Pop out the yolks and place in a medium bowl. Reserve the whites. Add mayonnaise, mustard, and lemon juice to yolks and stir with a fork or whisk until very smooth. Season with salt and more lemon juice if desired. Toss chives, parsley, lemon zest, and reserve shallots in a small bowl. Season with salt. Fit a pastry bag into a large star tip or use a resealable plastic bag with the hole cut in the corner. Scoop the egg yolk mixture into the pastry bag and pipe into the egg whites. Top with shallot gremolata before serving. Number 4. Chicken Cobb salad. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, room temperature, 4 ounces of bacon, about 4 slices, 2 tablespoons of sherry vinegar or red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, kosher salt, freshly ground pepper, 8 cups of coarsely torn fraises, half a rotisserie chicken with the meat pulled from the bones and shredded, about 2 cups. 2 large beef steak and/or heirloom tomatoes cut into wedges. 1 ripe avocado, quartered. Directions. Bring 8 cups of water to a boil in a large saucepan. Gently lower the eggs into the water and boil for 7 minutes for medium-set yolks. Immediately transfer eggs to a medium bowl of ice water and chill until cold for about 5 minutes. Peel the eggs under running water and set aside. Place bacon in a dry medium skillet and set over medium to low heat. Cook, turning occasionally until brown and crisp, for 8 to 10 minutes. Transfer to paper towels and let drain. Add vinegar, mustard, sugar, and 1 tablespoon of water to render fat in skillet and whisk until smooth and emulsified. Gradually stream in oil, whisking constantly until a thick dressing forms. Season with salt and pepper. Arrange frisee on a large platter and season with salt and pepper. Drizzle about half of the warm dressing over. Cut eggs in half and arrange over frisee along with shredded chicken, the tomato wedges, avocado, and bacon. Break up the bacon if desired. Season salad with salt and pepper and drizzle the remaining dressing over.